Hi guys, please don't mind my appearance. I feel like I have a water mustache. I just had some water. But today, I have a huge grocery haul for you. I'm so sorry, Bradley's not here. I actually did all the shopping by myself today. Bradley is at a hockey game with a friend, and I don't love the hockey games, so I stayed home, did the shopping. So you guys know I'm on Weight Watchers. I've been watching a lot of Amanda Seyfried's, I believe that's how you say her name, videos, and I'm so inspired. So I have a bunch of stuff to try out, some new things, some of my favorite staples. So yeah, let's get to it. And this isn't just a Trader Joe's haul, I also went to Ralph's, so I have a few things from there. But we're gonna get started here with produce, which even though I couldn't fit all the produce, there's more over there, but we'll get to that in a minute. But starting off with the normal produce, we have some arugula, my Champs-Élysées salad, some bananas, a lime, because we still have some limes left over from last week, 3 lemons, Roma tomatoes, avocado, a bell pepper, because again, still have some left from last week, some organic strawberries, some shredded carrots, and some hand-peeled carrots, like baby carrots is what I meant to say. I got some cutie mandarin thingies. I usually love these. Sometimes, I don't know, these are hit and miss with me, but I want to try them again because when I love them, I love them. We got some Dutch yellow baby potatoes. I love these for mixing with cauliflower and making mashed cauliflower. Then moving into like the Ralph's section, I got this self-rising flour because there is this amazing 2-ingredient dough that uses this and Greek yogurt, and that's it. And you flavor it however you'd like. So you can make it spicy, you can make it oniony, garlicky, sweet with cinnamon. Like there's a million possibilities. And I actually made some of the little garlic knot rolls and they were really good, but I only had normal flour and apparently you need self-rising flour, so I picked this up. This is actually from Walmart. I got some coleslaw mix. I also got some radishes. Trader Joe's never has radishes and I actually really enjoy radishes, so I picked some up for salads and whatever. I got the Walmart brand ranch salad dressing mix because Amanda mixes it with Greek yogurt to make like a ranch dip for 0 points on Weight Watchers. So I got 2 of those to try that out. The ingredients aren't the best, but they're also not the worst. So I'm just gonna try that out. Amanda also made some overnight oats using this apple pie filling, so I'm gonna try that. Picked up a box of my favorite tea. This is the Country Peach Passion Herbal Tea. There's no caffeine in it, and this is my favorite iced tea ever. Like I have, oh my gosh, I love this so much. I got some English muffins because these were only 3 points each and I was excited about that. These also a recommendation from Amanda, which we already went through an entire bag of these. These are the Mission Extra Thin Corn Tortillas. You can have 3 of these for 4 points, which I think is pretty amazing. I got one of these Halo Top ice creams. I've had the salted caramel before and it was really, really good. And so I'm gonna try this one. Also, you guys, I'm addicted to this Frank's Red Hot Wing sauce, the buffalo sauce. I am new to the spicy life, but this is my life. And again, thanks to Amanda, she had a recipe for turkey buffalo hot sauce meatloaf, and it's literally incredible, and I've made it 3 times already. It's what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight. I have leftovers, so I need a lot of that. Which, speaking of, I will show you my take on it in a recipe video, but you can check out her channel as well. I will link that down below because it's amazing. They repackaged my Defense Up Evolution juices, so I couldn't find them for the longest time, but I did get 2 of the Defense Up, yes, juices that I love. Trader Joe's had some daffodils, so I got those. We were out of ground black pepper, so I picked up one of those. Non-fat plain Greek yogurt because this is 0 points on Weight Watchers, which is amazing. I wanted to try this reduced guilt spinach and kale Greek yogurt dip. I'm really all about the Greek yogurt life right now. Not only is it like less points on Weight Watchers, but I actually really enjoy the taste. I have some cauliflower florets, some riced cauliflower. I like to use this a multitude of ways, but the reason I picked it up this week is because I make a fried rice and I use rice and riced cauliflower to like bulk it up, and it's so good, so I'm really excited. Picked up some more of the Trader Joe's liquid dish soap in the citrus scent. I did not like the lavender and tea tree scent. Like I really, really didn't like it, so back to this one. I have some light Mexican blend cheese. I saw these on YouTube today and I've never tried them, but butternut squash zigzags. I think this would be fun to try and like make baked fries, so we'll see. We have some of the Trader Joe's diced onions, my favorite thing possibly from Trader Joe's. Oh, that's a lie, my special cookies are. I got some light whipped cream because I want to try to make some strawberry whipped cream and graham cracker crust situation, so I'm gonna try that out. I got 2 things of turkey for different recipes, but mainly for my buffalo turkey meatloaf. Got some eggs. I got Bradley's bagels, but she likes the onion bagels. I prefer the sprouted wheat bagels. Love these, very doable on Weight Watchers. We're out of the rice we normally use, and I don't think this is the right rice that I want, but I bought it anyway. It's the organic basmati rice for my fried rice. Then I got 2 cans of my special cookies, aka Cocoa Batons, delish. I got these pretzel slims. I love these on the side of sandwiches. Bradley made a request. These are his favorite, like, on-the-go breakfasts. Wow. So we have the nutty chocolate, chewy coated, drizzled granola bar, strawberry walks into a bar, and then the blueberry kind of that as well. I got some organic creamy tomato soup just to have on hand because I do love that stuff. Oh no, whoopsie. And then I have the graham crackers I was telling you about. So that is it, you guys. Also, I did a cheeky little plant haul, so I wanted to show you guys. And I want you to know I am in the midst of reorganizing out here and getting things looking lovely to do a garden tour / garden tips. Whoa, rude. Just gonna talk over him. So I have a strawberry hanging plant. I had one of these last year and I did really well with it. I got a lot of strawberries. I got a new sweet mint plant because mine died in the rain downpour. I think it drowned, so that was really sad. I have a new bell pepper plant, but these are orange snacking peppers, so I'm excited about that. I got a new basil plant because the one I planted in here died and I need another one to like have half basil, half parsley, so I got another one. And then I got some thyme, which I've never had, and I got a little cutie pot to pot that up in. So yeah, okay. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you found it helpful. I love you guys. I will see you very soon. If you want more food videos, I will link my playlist up in the corner. But I'm gonna go sort all this out, put it away, make myself dinner, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye!